All right, guys, I'm here today at the 2024 Monster Jam at Nissan Stadium here in Nashville, Tennessee. It's a really hot day, but it's a beautiful day. It's gonna be a great day for these monster trucks to show what they got.
So let's check out some of the highlights from today's monster truck competition. Some of the biggest names in the monster truck world came out to show what they have. And some good rides, some scary rides, and some crashes along the way. But I hope you enjoy what you see here by these great drivers and great trucks.
Broken.
Well, there you go. The 2024 Monster Jam competition in Nashville, Tennessee. Just a great day. Great drivers doing a great job in some great monster trucks. showing off their skills and inspiring the fans. And I enjoyed it. I hope you did as well. And look forward to some more Monster Jam, Monster Truck Show videos coming up. That's some good stuff.